So hello puppet friend, this is H and this is a very special episode of whatever this is. Let's call it Late Night Puppet Crafts with H. So I recently found a little puppet while shopping. It was from a second-hand shop and I was like, this is beautiful. I didn't really know what it was first. I knew that it's a mole and it's the mole. Originally created by René Marek, I believe. He's a German puppeteer and comedian. And one of his famous characters is the mole, and he's just so lovely. I love this little guy and he likes me too. So my only complaint about this puppet, it looks like a mouth that would speak and it doesn't move. My hand is moving inside the head, but nothing's happening. And I don't like that. It's just like the original, just moves around and speaks like like in German. I don't speak German, oh jeez. And it's obviously a bit of a challenge, but I don't think it's too big of a problem. So let me show you what we need for tonight's build. First of all, you need the puppet, obviously. You need whatever this is. I think it's, if you need the name of this item in the comments, you get 15% of your next puppet purchase. You'll also need a pair of scissors, some plastic, because I believe in reusing things that you would otherwise just throw away. I'm going to use this fresh out of the bin. And tweezers or spring clip. This is what I'm going to use for the mouth. Just to read the script next time.
Oh, just do less of these transitions next time.
Oh, and he didn't say that we also need music.
Just hit a button, Morty, give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, alright,
So first I outline the mouth. I'm using a paper that was already used. So, you know, just reuse something that you don't need anymore. This have to do with the mouth plate. So then I copy the pattern to the piece of plastic, and then I carve the piece of plastic to the shape I need. Well, this plastic was a bit thicker than I thought, but it's still fine. Then I'm going to remove some wood. Just chip some wood away so I have an even surface at the end. And I'm using gun glue. Glue. And I'm using glue gun glue to melt the plates onto the clip. And after I cut a little entrance from the inside to the mouth area, I'm just going to use the same glue and glue the plates onto the mouth from the inside. And well, this is pretty much it. That's the idea. Let's see how it turns out. I'm actually pretty surprised how easy it was. Just put the rods back, they are attachable. And we are done. So the main problem I have right now with the mouth, well, this movie is nice, and this is okay. So I wanted to use my thumb more when I open the mouth, just like when you have a stock puppet or anything. The better way to make the puppet talk is to use the thumb and not just like do the funny Muppet move, which is fine and fun and lovely, but it's very unnatural. Because his nozzle area is tilted downwards a bit, I really need to, you can't see my hand inside. Right now my hand grabbing the clip is like this, so I can't really push with my thumb because it's like an upward move that's like, it's really impossible. And even just like having the tilt this way, I have the clip pointing up here. But I still think it's fine. I like it. Do you like it? Are you feeling good? Yeah, it's quite, you know, it's quite new. I think it's fine. It's fine. What is it's fine? Is it like a Yorkshire accent tried by a German? So yeah, I am quite happy with the outcome. What do you think? Again, if you tell me what this item was, I give you 15% of your next puppet purchase. It's something I do with every video. Since the last video, if you pay attention, you can leave a magical comment that gives you 15% off your next puppet purchase. That's pretty much like getting your puppet internationally on a Hungarian price. What do you think? That's a really good deal. This is not his voice, I still need to find it. So that was your awkward late night puppet craft with H. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments down below with thoughts, suggestions, questions, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell because otherwise you might just miss out on the next one. Ciao. And be kind.